All right, so today we are taking a deep dive into Psalm 126 from the Bible.
Okay.
And this one is actually pretty short, but it's, labeled a song for pilgrims ascending to Jerusalem.
Right.
It's from the New Living Translation.
Okay.
It's ancient.
Yeah.
It's an ancient text, but it's packed with all these really relevant human experiences. And, that's what we're going to be kind of looking at today.
Yeah, for sure.
What resonates with you?
Absolutely. So, the historical context is definitely the return of the exiles to Jerusalem.
Right.
But the emotions and themes are totally timeless.
Right.
The joy after hardship.
Yeah.
And the hope for continued renewal, the power of perseverance. These are all things that everyone can, understand.
Yeah.
No matter what.
It's the human, condition.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's just start at the beginning.
Sounds good.
When the Lord brought back his exiles to Jerusalem, it was like a dream.
That's a great line.
Right.
Yeah.
What a feeling. Something so good happening that you almost don't believe it's real.
It's like, you're pinching yourself.
Totally.
This is actually pretty common, this reaction of joy and disbelief. After periods of intense stress or trauma.
Oh, yeah, I can see that.
The sudden relief is so unreal that it's hard to really grasp.
Right.
It's almost like you think it's going to go away. Like, oh, this is just a temporary.
Right.
This isn't going to last.
Like, it can't be this good.
Yeah.
Okay. So then it continues. We were filled with laughter, and we sang for joy. And the other nations said, what amazing things the Lord has done for them.
Wow.
Right. So it's not just internal.
No, it's public.
It's visible. Everyone sees it.
Exactly. And it's, think about that.
Yeah.
Having that validation from the outside world,
right.
It's huge.
Totally.
It's not just them feeling relieved. It's something so powerful that it's got everyone's attention.
Yeah.
It even says the other nations are kind of in awe. Right.
Look what the Lord has done.
It makes their experience more real.
Totally.
Yeah.
It's undeniable at that point.
Okay, so verse 3, really powerful statement. Yes, the Lord has done amazing things for us. What joy.
Boom.
That's it, right?
Mic drop.
So much gratitude and a complete turnaround. Makes you think about your own life.
Right. Yeah.
When have things just totally shifted for the better?
Yeah.
Out of the blue.
And I think it's important to really take stock of those moments.
Right.
Recognize them. Appreciate them.
Yeah.
Because they can be kind of fleeting.
Okay. And then in verse 4, things kind of shift.
Yeah.
It says, restore our fortunes, Lord, as streams renew the desert.
Interesting.
Right. So they were celebrating, but now it's like they're asking for more.
Right. It's like that first wave of relief has passed.
Yeah.
And now there's a recognition that things still need work.
Yeah.
We're back, but we're not whole yet.
Right. There's still this need for renewal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the imagery is so strong.
Oh, I know. It's so visual.
Like a desert.
Yeah.
Dry and lifeless.
And
then streams.
Yes. Flowing water life.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's not just about, plants growing again.
Right.
It's about a community.
Right.
A whole society being revitalized.
Hope restored.
Exactly. It's so powerful.
Okay. Now, verses 5 and 6, this is where it gets really interesting.
I love these verses.
It's the big metaphor, right? Those who plant in tears will harvest with shouts of joy. They weep as they go to plant their seed, but they sing as they return with the harvest. Wow.
So much packed into those lines.
I know.
Yeah.
It really speaks to the idea that, pushing through difficulty can lead to joy.
And it acknowledges the struggle.
Yes.
It's not sugarcoating it.
No. Planting in tears.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's not about instant gratification. It's about the process, the journey,
the perseverance,
the tears, the sorrow, but with the anticipation of a joyful outcome.
Right. That delayed gratification.
It applies to so many things in life. Oh, yeah, totally.
Personal growth.
Long-term projects.
Yeah, you name it.
Think about learning a new skill. It's hard.
So hard. You feel like you're getting nowhere.
But then it clicks, and it's the best feeling.
The reward makes it all worth it.
So just to sum up, Psalm 126 takes us on a journey. We start with this memory of unbelievable joy.
Coming out of hardship.
Then there's this present need for help. And then this hope for the future.
Driven by perseverance.
Exactly.
It's amazing how much it captures the whole cycle.
Right.
Difficulties, relief, renewal.
The human experience.
In a nutshell.
So I think we can all relate to this, right? Planting in tears and then finally harvesting with shouts of joy. Maybe you're in that planting phase right now.
Yeah, maybe.
And if so, what's that future joy you're hoping for? Something to think about.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks for listening.
Thanks for listening, everybody.